Hey everyone, good morning. I started my ride to Munnar. Time is 8:20. I started at my grandfather's place around 8:10 or 8:15. It shows 4 hours 20 minutes through this route, 184 kilometers. The ETA is showing around 1240. Had good breakfast at home itself. We'll see if we need a tea break or something. We'll stop by, or else we'll directly go to Munnar. Since I am traveling solo this time, I am trying the Zostel. This is the first time I booked the Zostel. So let's see how the experience will be. As of now, the climate over here is like mornings it will be sunny, and as in when it gets to evening, it becomes cloudy and starts raining. Not sure how it will be in Munnar. When I check the weather report, it says cloudy but no rain. Well, let's see. It will be pretty cold since it's a hill station. I have my winter jacket and all, so should not be an issue. I'm staying there for 5 days. So my plan is visit a couple of routes: Munnar, Kanthaloor, Marayoor, Kanthaloor, Vattavada, Suryanelli, Idukki. One day each route I am planning to cover. I won't be going to the tourist destinations as such, and my plan is to cover cover the scenic routes on bike. One problem I have is I only have 3 SD cards. I am not carrying my laptop this time, so not sure if I will be able to capture all the footages and all. I am trying to see if I can, once the memory card gets full, I'll try to see if I can transfer it to my phone so that I can empty that and reuse it. We'll try something out. I've been to Munnar with my wife. That time we visited all the tourist destinations, the dam, top station and all. But now I'm totally planning to try the offbeat places, offbeat routes actually. Wow, look at this. all paddy fields. We are about to enter the highway. If you go straight, you go to Altur. Left side will take you to Thrissur highway. We will not be touching Thrissur. We will be taking a left somewhere in between. We got onto Cochin Vadakanjeri Cochin highway. It says 50 kilometers on this highway. Again, one good thing, no toll for bikes. Thrissur Express Highway. This express highway is superb. Well laid 6-lane road. Bikers paradise, man. The curved roads in Kerala. Welcome to Ernakulam district. So covered a distance of 70 kilometers. Still 100 kilometers more to go. Started with the climb. Just entered the forest area. We entered Nerimangalam. So there There is a famous bridge over here, Nerimangalam Bridge. That's well known for connecting the Cochin and Munnar high hill range of Idukki. I guess we are here. Yes, this is a bridge. So it was constructed in 1935 or something, which I read in online. Welcome to Adimali Gram Panchayat. Welcome to Idukki. So we entered the Idukki district from Ernakulam. So the bridge which connects between Ernakulam district and Idukki district is called as Nerimangalam Bridge that we just crossed. Landscape has started changing. The roads are like next level. So thought spending some time near the waterfall, small waterfall. Even though it's a weekday, I see pretty much good traffic today. There's a lot of cabs are going around. These are Vellara waterfalls. Oh. Kilometer more to go. Will take 9 minutes or so. Tea estates have started. This is Munnar. Early mornings, if all fog comes in, that will be like kind of another beauty. I should have overtaken. It's okay. Curve. So hairpin bend is there. So let's go slowly. car come through this way.